हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बाबा फरीद यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हेल्थ साइंस फरीदकोट के प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर को देखेंगे। फार्मासिस्ट का जो पहले पेपर हुआ था उसको सोल्व करेंगे। ठीक है, पहले हम पार्ट 20 देखेंगे, उसके बाद हम पार्ट ए देखेंगे। पार्ट ए में नॉन फार्मा का है, तो पार्ट बी देख लेते हैं पहले फार्मा का। क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 से स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हाट डज फार्माकोकाइनेटिक इंक्लूड? ऑप्शन ए फार्माकोलॉजिकल एक्शन ऑफ ड्रग, option B unwanted effect of drugs, option C chemical structure of a medicinal agent, and option D distribution of drug in the organism. तो फार्माकोकाइनेटिक मीन्स क्या होता है? व्हाट हैपेंस टू अ ड्रग इनसाइड द बॉडी। उसमें अब्जॉर्प्शन, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, मेटाबॉलिज्म, एक्सक्रीशंस इंक्लूड होता है एडीएम में। तो इसमें सही आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन डी, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ ड्रग इन द ऑर्गेनिजम्स। ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल की बात करें कि कोई भी एक पेन किलर ले लेते हैं, हम पैरासीटामोल ले लेते हैं, तो हमने अगर वो ओरली ली तो उसका अब्जॉर्प्शन हुआ स्टमक में, फिर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुआ ब्लड में, उसका मेटाबॉलिज्म हुआ लीवर में, देन एक्सक्रीट थ्रू द यूरिन। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट है फार्माकोडायनेमिक इंक्लूड द स्टडी ऑफ फॉलोइंग। ऑप्शन ए मैकेनिज्म ऑफ ड्रग एक्शन, ऑप्शन बी biotransformations of the drug in the organisms, option C distribution of drug in the organisms, option D excretion of drug from the organism. So correct answer is option A, mechanism of drug action. Pharmacodynamic means how a drug works in the body, how it interact with the receptor and produce effect. Okay, next question. What does the term bioavailability means? Option A plasma protein binding degree of a substance, option B permeability through the blood brain barrier, option C fraction of unchanged drug reaching the systemic circulation, and option D amount of drug substance in urine relative to initial dose. So correct answer is option C, fraction of unchanged drug reaches the systemic circulations. Bioavailability means how much of it medicine actually enter the blood and is available to work in the body. 100% बायोअवेलेबिलिटी होती है हमारी आईवी रूट से। अगर हम कोई भी मेडिसिन, कोई भी ड्रग जो है हम ओरली लेते हैं, ठीक है, तो उसकी जो बायोअवेलेबिलिटी है वो 100% नहीं होती। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। What term is used to describe a more gradual decrease in responsiveness to a drug taking days or weeks to develop? Option A refractoriness, option B cumulative effect, option C tolerance, option D tachyphylaxis. So correct answer is option C, tolerance. Tolerance means the body gets used to a drug over time, so a higher dose is needed for the same effect. Next question. Characteristics unwanted reaction which is not related to a dose or to a pharmacodynamic property of a drug is called. Option A iron secrecy, option B hypersensitivity, option C tolerance, option D teratogenic action. So correct answer is option A, idiosyncrasis is a rare and unpredictable reaction to a drug different from normal side effect. Next question. Anotropy is a measure of dash of the molecules of the system. Option A concentrations, option B velocity, option C zigzag motions, and option D randomness of disorder. So correct answer is option D. Anotropy measure the level of disorder or randomness in a system. Next question. Question number 57. Indicate the local anesthetic which is used for spinal anesthesia. Option A tetracaine, option B cocaine, option C bupivacaine, and option D propionate. So correct answer is option D, propionate. Propionate used during the C-section cesarean delivery to numb the lower half of the body. Next question. Question number 58. Indicate the skeletal muscle relaxant in a depolarizing agent. Option A vecuronium, option B scopolamine, option C succinylcholine, option D hexamethonium. So correct answer is option C, succinylcholine. Succinylcholine is a depolarizing neuromuscular blocker Used in short surgeries, it helps relax muscles quickly before inserting a breathing tube. Next question. Atropine is frequently used prior to administration of inhalant anesthetic to reduce option A muscle tone, option B secretions, option C nausea and vomiting, and option D appetite. So correct answer is option B secretions. Atropine reduces saliva and mucus production, preventing airway blockage during surgery. Give before intubation to prevent excessive saliva. Next question. Question number 60. Which of the following drug is useful in treatment of Parkinson disease? Option A. Benztropine. So correct answer is option A. Benztropine. Benztropine helps reduce muscle stiffness and tremors in Parkinson disease. Use along with levodopa to improve movement. Next question. Question number 61. A spontaneous reaction proceeds with decrease in option A entropy, option B enthalpy, option C free energy, option D internal energy. So correct answer is option C free energy. Next question. Indicate the drug of choice in the emergency therapy of anaphylactic shocks. Option A methoxamine, option B terbutaline, option C norepinephrine, option D epinephrine. So correct answer is option D. Next question. Question number 63. Indicate the adrenoreceptor antagonist drug which is zerovolafia alkaloid. Option A prazosin, option B propanol, option C risperidone, option D phentolamine. Prazosin is a alpha 1 blocker used in hypertension, and propanol is a beta blocker used in heart conditions, and phentolamine is a non-selective alpha blocker. So correct answer is option C risperidone. Next question. Hypnotic drugs are used to treat option A psychosis, option B sleep disorder, option C narcolepsy, option D Parkinson disease. So correct answer is option B sleep disorder. Next question. Question number 65. Which of the following is a noted tablet defect? Option A chipping, option B sticking, option C bloom strength, and option D double impression. Correct answer is option C. Bloom strength is a term used to describe the gel strength of gelatin which is related to capsule formation, not tablet defect. Next question. Question number 66. The incompatibility between methanol and camphor is a type of option A physical incompatibility, option B chemical incompatibility, and option C therapeutic incompatibility, and option D none of the above. So correct answer is option A physical incompatibility. Methanol and camphor undergo eutonic formations, meaning they mix together and become liquid at room temperature. This is a physical change, not a chemical reactions. Next question. C. Disulfiram. Disulfiram inhibit aldehyde dehydrogenases leading to the accumulation of acetyl aldehyde. And disulfiram is used in the treatment for alcohol addictions by causing nausea, headache, and flushing if alcohol is consumed. Next question. Question number 68. Which of the following non-narcotic agent is a salicylic acid derivative? Option A phenylbutazone, option B ketamine, option C aspirin, option D tramadol. So correct answer is option C aspirin. Aspirin is a salicylic acid derivative with analgesic and antipyretic and anti-inflammatory effect. Analgesic means pain relieving and antipyretic means fever reducing. And phenylbutazone is a non-steroid anti-inflammatory drug but not a salicylic acid derivative. And ketamine is an anesthetic drug not related to salicylic acid. And tramadol, opioid like painkiller, not a salicylic acid derivative. Next question. Question number 69. Indicate the non-narcotic agent which lack an anti-inflammatory effect. Option A, naloxone. Option B, paracetamol. Option C, metimazole. Option D, ecosporin. So correct answer is option B, paracetamol. Paracetamol is an analgesic and antipyretic drug. And naloxone is a opioid antagonist used to reserve opioid overdose. And metimazole is a analgesic and anti-inflammatory drug used for the pain and fever. And ecosporin has anti-inflammatory property. Next question. Question number 70. Neuroleptics are used to treat option A neurosis, option B psychosis, option C narcolepsy, option D Parkinson's disorder. So correct answer is option B psychosis. Neuroleptic, also known as antipsychotic drug, are used to treat psychotic disorder. Next question. Question number 71. Which of the following is and is related to hallucinogens? Option A morphine, option B LSD, option C cocaine, option D opium. So correct answer is option B LSD. Next question. Question number 72. Ashwagandha is also known as option A Veneria root, option B Satmuli, option C Viglanin bark and option D Scaled bark. सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन ए विथनेरिया रूट है. अश्वगंधा साइंटिफिकली नोन एज विथनेरिया सोमिनिफेरा और इसकी रूट को बोलते हैं विथनेरिया रूट. इसका यूज हम आयुर्वेद में करते हैं स्ट्रेस को रिड्यूस करने में, इसकी इम्यूनिटी को इम्प्रूव करने में, एंजाइटी की कंडीशन में इसका यूज किया जाता है. ठीक है. और जो सेक्रेट बार्क है ये एक सिंकोना की जो पेड़ होती है उसकी छाल को कहते हैं. ठीक है. इसका यूज हम मलेरिया के ट्रीटमेंट में करते हैं. नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 73. An adverse effect of oral iron therapy is option A anemia, option B thrombocytopenia, option C headache, option D constipation. Correct answer is option D constipation. आयरन सप्लीमेंट की वजह से कॉन्स्टिपेशन नोजिया हो सकता है. ठीक है. इसके जो अब्जॉर्प्शन है वो स्लो होता है. ठीक है. और जो आयरन का जो अब्जॉर्प्शन है उसको बढ़ाने के लिए विटामिन सी की टेबलेट साथ में लेनी चाहिए. ठीक है. और इससे क्या होता है जो कॉन्स्टिपेशन है वो रिड्यूस हो जाता है. एंड एनीमिया, आयरन इज यूज्ड टू ट्रीट एनीमिया नॉट कॉजेज इट. Okay, and thrombocytopenia, low platelet count, not caused by iron supplement. Next question. Question number 74. Pernicium anemia is developed due to deficiency of. Pernicium जो एनीमिया है वो किसकी कमी के कारण होता है? ऑप्शन ए एरिथ्रोपोइटिन, ऑप्शन बी विटामिन B12, ऑप्शन सी आयरन, ऑप्शन डी विटामिन B6. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी विटामिन B12. जो पनेसियम एनीमिया है वो विटामिन B12 की कमी के कारण होता है. इसमें क्या है कमजोरी हो जाती है, थकान हो जाती है. ठीक है. और नर्व डैमेज के भी चांस होते हैं इसमें. और जो इरिथ्रोपोइटिन है ये एक हार्मोन है जो हमारी आरबीसी है उसको बनाने में हेल्प करता है, लेकिन जो पनेसियम एनीमिया है उससे नहीं जुड़ा होता है. ठीक है. और जो विटामिन B6 है इसकी कमी से क्या होता है न्यूरोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम होती है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 75. Carbohydrate consisting of methoxylated polygalacturonic acid. Option A chitin, option B cutin, option C pectin, option D suberin. मेथोक्सिलेटेड पॉलीग्लैक्टोनिक एसिड से कौन सा कार्बोहाइड्रेट बना होता है? तो सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका पैक्टिन. पैक्टिन इज ए कार्बोहाइड्रेट मेड ऑफ methoxylated polygalacturonic acid found in fruit like apples and citrus. Next question. Question number 76. Which drug is used in treating supraventricular tachycardia? Option A, digoxin. Option B, dibutalamine. Option C, amrinone. Option D, dopamine. So correct answer is option A, digoxin. Digoxin is a cardiac glycoside that slow the heart rate and heart contractions, used in treating supraventricular tachycardia and heart failure. And dibutalamine used in heart failure to increase cardiac output, but not in supraventricular tachycardia. Next question. Hydrophilic lipophilic balance is an indicator of HLB balance is indicated of option A surfactant property, option B Bloom strength, option C viscosity, and option D flow property. So correct answer is option A surfactant property. HLB value determine whether a surfactant is more hydrophilic or lipophilic, used in emulsions, creams, and pharmaceutical formulations. Next question. The statement to be sold by retail on the prescriptions of a registered medical practitioner is and per which schedule of Drug and Cosmetic Act? Option A Schedule X, option B Schedule H, option C Schedule Y, and option D Schedule M. So correct answer is option B Schedule H. Schedule H include prescription drug that cannot be sold without a doctor prescriptions. These drugs are not available over the counter. Next question. Question number 79. Eugenol is present in option A fennel, option B tulsi, option C cardamom, option D coriander. So correct answer is option B tulsi. Eugenol is a natural compound found in tulsi and clove. It has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties. Next question. Question number 80. The chemical behavior of morphine alkaloid is option A acidic, option B basic, option C neutral, option D amphoteric. So correct answer is option B basic. Morphine is a basic because it contains nitrogen which can accept proton. It dissolved in acidic solution and used as a painkiller. Next question. The DPO Drug Price Control Order was excised by central government in option A 1985, option B 1991, option C 1995, and option D 1962. Correct answer is option C 1995. The DPO 1995 was implemented by the Indian government by regulating drug prices and ensure initial medicines remain affordable. Next question. Myocardium is special muscle tissue found only in the option A brain, option B heart, option C liver, option D kidney. Correct answer is option B. Next question. Among the following, which is the largest size of capsule? Option A size 0, option B size 1, option C size 2, option D size 00. So correct answer is option D. Next question. Question number 84. The meaning of Latin term RX is Latin शब्द RX का क्या अर्थ हुआ? Option A take through, option B when necessary, option B at bad time, option D every hour. So correct answer is option A. Next question. Question number 85. Bloom strength is used to check the quality of option A lactose, option B ampules, option C avicel, and option D gelatin. So correct answer is option D gelatin. Bloom strength measures the gel strength of gelatin. It determines the firmness and quality of gelatin used in capsules and jellies. Okay, and lactose used in the filler in tablet, and ampules used for storing liquid medicines. And Avicil's a tablet binder not related to Bloom strength. Next question. Question number 86. A naturally occurring community is option A Asafoetida, option B Asoka, option C Arjuna, option D Agar. So correct answer is option A Asafoetida. Communities are substances that help relieving gas and bloating. Asafoetida is a well-known natural curative, and Asoka used for the menstrual disorder, and Arjuna used for heart health, and Agar used as a gelling agent. Next question. Question number 87. Which of the following is true about polymorphisms? Option A. They have same solubility. Option B. They have the same chemical structure. Option C. They have the same melting point. And option D. None of the above. So correct answer is option B. They have the same chemical structure. Polymorphs are the different physical form in the same chemical compound. They have the same chemical structure, but their solubility, melting point, and stability may differ. Okay. Next question. Chloroquine is a option A for aminoquinone, option B acridine, and option C bigonides, and option D pyrimidine. So correct answer is option chloroquine is an anti-malarial drug that belongs to the 4-aminoquinone class. It is used to prevent malaria, and acridine used in dyes and some antiseptics, and bigonides used in diabetic treatment. Example metformin, and pyrimidine a base in DNA, not an anti-malarial drug. Okay, next question. Question number 89. Which of the following is generally used an ointment base? Option A white soft paraffin, option B thrumboma oil, option C wool fat, option C D beeswax. White soft paraffin used as an ointment base, okay, and wool fat used for its moisturizing effect, and beeswax used to thicken ointment. So correct answer is option B. Thrumboma oil is used in suppositories, not in ointment, and ointment require a semi-solid base, whereas thrumboma oil melt at a body temperature. Next question. Question number 90. The Drug and Cosmetic Act was passed in the year option A 1940, option B 1945, option C 1970, and option D 1985. So correct answer is option A. The Drug and Cosmetic Act was passed in 1940 to regulate the import, manufacturing, distributions, and sales of medicine in India. Next question. Which of the following is a female sex hormone? Option A stilbestrol, option B testosterone, option C estrogen, option D begestrol. So correct answer is option C estrogen. Estrogen is primary female sex hormone responsible for menstrual cycle regulation and female reproductive health. Next question. EOQ stand for option A equal order quantity, option B initial order quantity, option C economic order quantity, and option D none of the above. So correct answer is option C economic order quantity. Economic order quantity is formula used in inventory management to find the optimal order quantity that minimize total inventory cost. Next question. Disintegration test is not applicable on option A tablet, option B capsule, option C solution, option D pills. So correct answer is option C solution. Disintegration test is used to check how fast a solid dosage form breaks down in the body, and since solutions are already in liquid form, this test is not needed. Next question. Hospital formulary generally consist of option A list of drug to be prescribed, option B list of hospital equipments, and option C list of doctor, and option D list of hospital staff. So correct answer is option A list of drug to be prescribed. Next question. The minimum age for qualification for entry into the first register in option A 18 years, option B 21 years, option C 25 years, option D 20 years. So correct answer is option A 18 years. Next question. Which one of the following is not an ex officio member of Pharmacy Council of India? Option A, the Director General of Health Service. Option B, the Director of Central Drug Laboratory. Option C, the Drug Controller General of India. And option D, the Director of Pharmacopoeia Laboratory. So correct answer is option C. Next question is, in which of the following techniques the sample is kept below the triple point? Option A, lyophilizations. Option B, spray drying. Option C, spray congealing. Option D, centrifugations. So correct answer is option A, lyophilizations. Lyophilization freeze drying is a technique where a substance is first frozen and then dried under vacuum to remove water. The temperature is kept below the triple point to avoid liquid formations and directly convert into ice into vapor. Next question. Question number 98. Which of the following is not a benzodiazepine? Option A, diazepam. Option B, nitrazepam. Option C, zolpidem. Option D, tramizolam. So correct answer is option C, zolpidem. Zolpidem is not a benzodiazepine. It is a non-benzodiazepine sedative hypertonic that act on GABA receptor, and it is used to treat insomnia but has a different chemical structure than benzodiazepine. Next question. Which of the following is a natural emulsifying agent obtained from vegetable sources? Option A, starch. Option B, gelatin. Option C, egg yolk. And option D, wool fat. So correct answer is option A. Next question. Tropine alkaloid can be identified. Option A, thylacinone test. Option B, Vitali test. Option C, Bureau test. And option D, Mellon test. So correct answer is option B, Vitali test. Next question. A non-drug part added to formulation to aid dilution, stability maintaining, taste masking, etc. is known as option A, preservative. Option B, active ingredient. Option C, additive. Option D, binding agent. So correct answer is option C, additive. An additive is a non-drug component added to formulation to enhance the stability, solubility, taste masking, and dilution without affecting the drug's therapeutic action. And preservatives used to prevent microbial growth and increase shelf life. And active ingredients, the main component responsible for the therapeutic effect. Next question. The formulation used for dental hygiene are known as option A, insufflations. Option B, snuffs. Option C, dentifrices. Option D, catches. Catches used as drug envelope for oral administration, and snuffs used as nasal formulation. So correct answer is option C, dentifrices. Dentifrices are formulation used for cleaning and maintaining oral hygiene. They include toothpaste, tooth powder, and mouthwashes. Next question. The diagnostic agent used for the functioning of thyroid gland. Option A, Fe59. Option B, I131. Option C, CO60. Option D, P32. So correct answer is option B, iodine 131 is used for the diagnosis and treatment of thyroid disorder like hypothyroidism and thyroid cancer. It is a radioactive isotopes that help access thyroid functions. And Fe59 used for studying iron metabolism, and cobalt 60 used in cancer radiotherapy, and phosphorus 32 used for treating blood disorder. Next question. The constituent of cholesterol termed as bad cholesterol is option A, HDL. Option B, LDL. Option C, VLDL. And option D, triglycerides. So correct answer is option B, LDL. LDL means low density lipoprotein. Low density lipoprotein is termed as bad cholesterol because it deposits fat in arteries leading to blockage and heart disease. And HDL is known as good cholesterol. Okay, and VLDL is contain triglycerides and contributes to bad cholesterol. And triglycerides a type of fat stored in the body. Next question. Which of the following is used as an antihelminthics? Option A, eucalyptus oil. Option B, chenopodium oil. Option C, chalmogera oil. And option D, lemongrass oil. So correct answer is option B, chenopodium oil. Cyanopodium oil used as an antihelminthic agent to expel intestinal worms like roundworm, and it has active compound that paralyze and kill the worm. And eucalyptic oil used as an antiseptic and expectorant for respiratory issue. And charmoilla oil used for treatment of leprosy and skin disease. And lemongrass oil used as antibacterial and antifungal agent. Next question. Mohs scale is used to describe option A efficacy of filtrate, option B hardness of material, option C settling of suspension, option D none of the above. So correct answer is option B, hardness of a material. Next question. Ball mill is used on impact and option A cutting, option B abrasion, option C attrition, and option D compression. So correct answer is option C. Next question. Which of the following statement is true for fluctuated suspension? Option A, hard cake is formed. Option B, they are difficult to disperse. Option C, rate of sedimentation is high. Option D, suspension is placing in appearance. So correct answer is option C. Rate of sedimentation is high. In fluctuated suspension, particles from loose aggregates which settle down quickly, leading to a high sedimentation rate. However, these sedimentation are easy to redisperse by shaking. Next question. Examples are antacid suspension like magnesium hydroxides are fluctuated suspensions. Okay. So next question is hospital acquired infection are called option A primary infection, option B secondary infection, option C nosocomial infection, and option D latent infections. So correct answer is option C nosocomial infection. Nosocomial infection acquired in hospital or healthcare facilities due to expose to contaminated equipment, surface, and infected patients. Next question. The powerhouse of the cell is option A Golgi body, option B mitochondria, option C ribosomes, and option D nucleus. So correct answer is option B mitochondria. Mitochondria are called as the powerhouse of the cell because they generate ATP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate, the main energy currency of the cell. Next question. The term used for cell eating, option A exocytosis, option B pinocytosis, option C phagocytosis, option D none of the above. So correct answer is option C phagocytosis. Phagocytosis process by which a cell engulfs solid particle or microorganism for digestion. It is carried out by the specialized cell like macrophages and neutrophils. Next question. Leprosy is caused by option A Mycobacterium leprae, option B Bacillus pertussis, option C Vibrio cholera, and option D E. coli. So correct answer is option A Mycobacterium leprae. Next question. In dry heat sterilization object heated at option A 160 degrees Celsius 3 hours, option B 180 degrees Celsius 2 hours, option C 180 degrees Celsius 1 hour, and option D 160 degrees Celsius 2 hours. So correct answer is option D 160 degrees Celsius 2 hours. Next question. As per IP, surgical dressing should be stored at temperature not exceeded option A 50 degree, option B 60, option C 40, option D 25. So correct answer is option D 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, next question is which of the following method is used to sterilize metal series? Option A moist heat, option B gamma radiation, option C dry heat, option D ethylene oxide. So correct answer is option C dry heat. Dry heat sterilization at 180 degrees Celsius for 2 hours is preferred method for metal series as it prevents corrosions and effectively kills microorganisms. Next question. Vidal test is used for detection of option A pneumonia, option B typhoid, option C AIDS, option D syphilis. So correct answer is option B typhoid. Vidal test detect typhoid fever which is caused by the Salmonella typhi, and it measure antibodies in blood against the bacteria. And pneumonia diagnosis using symptoms cultures and blood test, and AIDS detecting using ELISA test. Next question is, Catechu is used in medicine is as option A antidiabetics, option B anti-cancer, option C antibiotics, and option D astringent. So correct answer is option D astringent. Catechu is commonly used as an astringent to treat mouth ulcer, diarrhea, and sore throats. Next question. What quantities of 90 in Drug and Cosmetic Act and rule, the schedule relating to GMP is option A Schedule M, option B Schedule C, option C Schedule Y, and option D Schedule H. So correct answer is option A Schedule M. Schedule M of the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 specified good manufacturing practice that pharmaceutical company must follow to ensure drug quality and safety. And Schedule C related to biological and special product, vaccines, sera, insulins, and Schedule Y related to the clinical trials and new drug approval. Okay, and Schedule H list of prescription drug that require doctor prescriptions. Next questions. Google lipids are obtained from option A Comfera momol, option B Comfera vegetae, option C Boswellia serrata, option D Comfera abyssinia. So correct answer is option B. Next question. Which of the following compound is used as standard in the limit test of sulfate? Option A potassium sulfate, option B sodium sulfate, and option C magnesium sulfate, and option D iron sulfate. The correct answer is option A. Next question. The most recent editions of Indian Pharmacopoeia is option A 2016 edition, option B 2022 editions, option C 2021 edition, and option D 2017 edition. So correct answer is option B. Next question. Charak, A physicians belongs to which system of medicine? Option A Ayurveda, option B Unani, option C Siddha, option D homeopathy. So correct answer is option A Ayurveda. Charak was an ancient Indian pharmacopoeia who is known as the father of Ayurveda. Next question. Alkaloids are not precipitated by option A Mayer reagent, option B Dragon-Dreyfus reagent, option C picric acid, option D Mellon reagent. So correct answer is option D. Mellon reagent. Mellon reagent is used to detecting protein, not an alkaloid. And Mayer reagent form a cream colored precipitate with alkaloid. And Dendrograph reagent forms an orange-red precipitate with alkaloid. And picric acid form yellow precipitate with alkaloid. Next question. In Senna, the following type of stomata is present. So correct answer is option C, parasitic. Next question is, creaming is a dash process. Option A reversible, option B irreversible, option C difficult, option D both B and C. So correct answer is option B, irreversible. Next question. Question number 127. Juxtaglomerus apparatus is found in option A heart, option B liver, option C brain, option D kidney. So correct answer is option D, kidney. Next question. Question number 128. Bile salt present in bile juice act as a option is surfactant. Option B viscosity builder. Option C expectorant. Option D none of the above. So correct answer is option A surfactant. Bile salt act as a surfactant, helping in fat digestion by breaking down large fat molecules into small droplets. Next question. Which of the following is an autoimmune disease? Option A syphilis, option B diabetes, option C plague, option D typhoid. So syphilis is a bacterial infection caused by the Treponema pallidum, and typhoid is caused by the Salmonella typhi bacteria. So correct answer is option B. Diabetes type 1. Autoimmune disease occur when the body immune system attacks its own healthy cells by mistakes. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease in which the immune system destroys insulin producing cells, beta cells in the pancreas. Next question is, which of the following statement is false about blood pressure? Option A. It is the pressure of the blood excreted on the walls of the arteries by contractions of the left ventricle. Option B. It increases with the increase in the distance from the heart. Option C. Whereas factors like stress, age, sex, exercise alter the level of BP, and normal BP is 120 by 80 mmHg. So correct answer is option B. It increases with the increase in distance from the heart. Blood pressure is the highest in artery near the heart and decreases as it moves further into the capillaries and veins. Next question is, thrombocytopenia refers to option A conditions with low blood platelets count, and option B a disorder in which your body produces too many platelets, and option C an inflammatory process that causes a blood clot to form a block one of more veins, and option D none of the above. So correct answer is option A condition with low blood platelets count. Thrombocytosis is condition where platelet counts drop below the normal. Okay. Next question is, which of the following is a not a valve in the human heart? Option A tricapside valve, option B mitral, option C anaerobic, option D pulmonary. So correct answer is option C anaerobic valve. The human heart has four main valves that control blood flow. First is tricapside, second mitral, third is pulmonary valve, and fourth is aortic valve. Tricapside valve present between the right atrium and right ventricle, and mitral valve present between the left atrium and left ventricle, and pulmonary valve between the right ventricle and pulmonary arteries, and aortic valve present between the left ventricle and aorta. Next question. Which of the following is not a disease related to carbohydrate metabolism? Option A diabetes, ketoacidosis, option B hypersmolar coma, option C hematuria, option D hypoglycemia. So correct answer is option C. Carbohydrate metabolism disease occur due to improper breakdown of glucose, and diabetes ketoacidosis is a serious complication in diabetes, and hyperosmolar coma a dangerous condition of extreme blood sugar rise, and hyperglycemia a condition of extreme low blood sugar, and hematuria is a not related to carbohydrate metabolism, it is related to the kidney related problem. Next question. Which of the following statement is not correct regarding alkaloids? Option A. They are generally basic in nature. Option B. Always have nitrogen in heterocyclic ring. Option C. Distributed mostly in higher plant. And option D. None. So correct answer is option D. None. Alkaloids are a class of naturally occurring organic compound that mostly contain basic nitrogen atom. They are basic in nature due to the presence of nitrogen, and they mostly have nitrogen in a heterocyclic ring structure. They are mostly found in higher plant like opium and belladonna. So all these given statement are correct. None of the above is correct answer. Which of the following is hydrophobic amino acids? Option A valine, option B leucine, option C isoleucine, and option D none of the above. Hydrophobic amino acid do not like water to prefer to stay inside the protein structure. Valine, leucine, and isoleucines are all the hydrophobic amino acids because they have non-polar side chain. These amino acids are important for protein folding. So correct answer is option D, none of the above, because they all are the hydrophobic amino acid. Next question. The primary functions of simethicone in antacid preparation is option A suspending agent, option B adsorbent, option C buffer, option D antifluctant. So correct answer is option D antifluctant. Simethicone is used in medicines to reduce gas and stomach and intestine. It works by breaking up the gas bubbles, making it easier for the body to remove them. It is commonly found in antacids. Example is diazine. Next question. Gut-Gite apparatus is used in the litmus test of option A iron, option B sulfate, option C arsenic, and option D chloride. So correct answer is option C arsenic. Gut-Gite apparatus used to detect very small amount of arsenic in pharmaceutical substance. It is a glass apparatus that helps in qualitative detections of arsenic. And arsenic contamination is dangerous because it can cause poisoning. Next question. Lozenges are the type of dosage form. Option A solid dosage form, option B semi-solid dosage form, option C injectable dosage form, and option D none of the above. So correct answer is option A solid dosage form. Lozenges are the solid medication that dissolve slowly in the mouth to provide relief from the throat infections, cough. They are like hard candies containing medicinal ingredient. Examples are Strepsils. Next question. The composition of normal saline is option A 9.0% weight by volume sodium chloride, option B 0.9%, and option C 1.9%, and option D 5.0%. So correct answer is option B. Normal saline is a sterilized solution of 0.9% sodium chloride in water, and it is used in IV drips for hydrations. Next question. Question number 140. Dip tube is important part of option A syrup packaging, option B injection packaging, option C aerosol packaging, and option D none of the above. So correct answer is option C aerosol packaging. Dip tube is a plastic tube inside an aerosol container that helps in spraying liquids when the nozzle is pressed, and it is used in commonly deodorant, spray, inhalers. Next question is question number 141. Moist heat sterilization is normally carried out in option A hot air on, option B autoclave, option C ball mill, option D FBD. So correct answer is option B autoclave. Moist heat sterilization uses steam under pressure to kill microorganisms like bacteria, virus, fungi, and autoclave is the most commonly used device for this method. It operates at 121 degrees Celsius temperature and 15 psi pressure for the 15 minutes to achieve sterilizations. It is widely used in hospital, microbiology lab, pharmaceutical industry, and hot air on used for dry heat, not moist heat, and it is suitable for sterilizing glassware and metal instruments, and ball mill used for grinding material into fine powder, and FBD used for drying powder and granules, not for the sterilizations. So correct answer is option B autoclave. Next question. Macerations and percolations are normally employed for option A size reduction, option B size separation, option C drying, option D extraction. So correct answer is option D extraction. Macerations and percolations are techniques used for extracting active ingredient from plant material using solvent like water or alcohol. Next question. Drying by sublimation relates to option A tray dryer, option B FBD, option C vacuum dryer, and option D freeze dryer. So correct answer is option D freeze dryer. Next question. Which of the following is it true for evaporating under reduced pressure? Option A, it reduces the boiling point of the solution. Option B, it increases the boiling point of the solution. And option C, it does not have any effect on the boiling point of the solution. And option D, none of the above. So correct answer is option A. It reduces the boiling point of the solution. Next question. The branch of science dealing with the dose of drug is called option A dosimetry, option B posology, option C dosology, option D none of the above. So correct answer is option B posology. Posology is the branch of pharmacology that deals with the doses of the medicine. It studies the amount of drug required to produce the desired therapeutic effect. And dosimetry is used to measure radiation dose, not for drug doses. Next question. Waiting term post meals. Option A before meal, option B between meals, option C after meal, option D at bedtime. At bedtime is Hora Somsi HS and before meals AC. So correct answer is option C after meal PC. Next question. Which of the following is a not a test to determine this type of an emulsions? Option A dye test, option B conductivity test, option C dilution test, and option D Lal test. So correct answer is option D Lal test. Lal test. Lal test means Lymel's embryositis lysate test. Used to detect bacterial endotoxins in injectable drug and medical device. It has nothing to do with the emulsion. Next question. As per IP, if the solubility of soluble is 30 to 100 parts, it will be option A soluble, option B freely soluble, and option C springly soluble, and option D slightly soluble. So correct answer is option B freely soluble. Next question. Which of the following is not a suppository base? Option A theobroma oil, option B mineral oil, option C wheat postal, option D gelatin. So correct answer is option B mineral oil. Suppositories are solid dosage form that melts at the body temperature and are inserted into body cavity like rectum, vagina, urethra. Mineral oil is a liquid at room temperature, so it cannot be used as a suppository base. And theobroma oil, it is commonly used fatty base for suppositories because it smells at body temperature. Next question. Intracameral route of injection pertains to option A injection it into the heart chamber, and option B injection into a joint, option C injection into the veins, option D injection into the eyeball. So correct answer is option D injections to into the eyeball. Intracameral injection is the administration of a drug into the anterior chamber of the eye, commonly used in cataract surgery to deliver antibiotic and prevent infection. An intracardiac injection is used for emergency like cardiac arrest. In- and intra-articular injection used to inject medication directly into the joint. पार्ट बी हमने देख लिया है, इसमें हमने फार्मेसी के सारे क्वेश्चंस देख लिए और पार्ट ए में जो है पंजाबी लैंग्वेज के क्वेश्चंस हैं। तो पार्ट ए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इसका सिर्फ आंसर बताऊंगी, ठीक है। पार्ट ए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में सही आंसर होगा इसका ऑप्शन सी। सेकंड में सही आंसर होगा इसका ऑप्शन सी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए। फोर्थ में ऑप्शन बी एंड फिफ्थ ऑप्शन ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 ऑप्शन डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 ऑप्शन बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 ऑप्शन ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 ऑप्शन ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 ऑप्शन बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 ऑप्शन डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 ऑप्शन सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 ऑप्शन बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 ऑप्शन डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 ऑप्शन बी। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो, क्लास को लाइक और शेयर कर दें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 ऑप्शन बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 ऑप्शन ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 23 ऑप्शन बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 24 ऑप्शन सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 ऑप्शन ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26 ऑप्शन सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 27 ऑप्शन बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 ऑप्शन सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 ऑप्शन ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 32 ऑप्शन डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 34 ऑप्शन डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 35 ऑप्शन ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 36 ऑप्शन बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 37 ऑप्शन सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 38 ऑप्शन डी। Next question, question number 39, option A. Question number 40, option B. Question number 41, option C. Question number 42, option A. Question number 43, option D is correct. And question number 44, option D is correct. Question number 45, option C. Question number 46, option A. Question number 47, option D. Question number 48, option B. Question number 49, option C. And last question, question number 50, option B. वीडियो को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दें।